Oh, so I don't normally make like really 1 second videos or quick videos, but I decided to do a quick short video to let you know a quick haul. I don't want to make it long because I just got it and I want you guys to get it because I'm going to have a DIY video this week and showing you what I do with this. By the way, welcome to my kitchen. Quick view of my kitchen. I've got the candle burning. I have got like just a quick view. Let me just do a quick view of my kitchen before I show you the items I got from Dollar Tree. This is such an impromptu video. I don't have no makeup on right now, so I don't want to like get on camera, but let me show you a quick view. I'm gonna do a home tour anyway soon, apartment tour, like the full one soon this week. I'm gonna post it this week, but I'm gonna do one because we're in my kitchen. I might as well show you. I have my candle on right now from Bath and Body Works. I have my knife set. I love these knives. They're just so gorgeous. I showed it in one of my haul videos. They're like so pretty. They look like Chanel. They look like a Chanel handbag. They have a quilted look. I have just more knives. I just like that. Look at that with the candle burning. It just looks so gorgeous. And then I have, this is my cupboard. This is where I keep miscellaneous food items. And I just hang this here. I love these. These are my measuring tools and stuff like that. And I got this, what's it called? On Amazon. It's in one of my long videos, like my first apartment girly must have videos. This is in here and I've tagged it if you want to get these. These are gorgeous and they look so good with what I'm about to show you with this set over here. And it's by I believe it's by the same person too. I have my cherry bomb book, which I got from Amazon. I love it. It just looks so gorgeous together. I'm trying to move things out the way so I don't spoil the whole video. And I love how the cherry bomb goes with the gold details of my kitchen. I love, the pineapple because it's summer, so I try to have a pineapple there. Every season I'll change up whatever sits there. I have these, which I'm not going to use them. They're just for decoration. This is to like put a bag of chips. I just like, you know, if you like leave food open, you put this. I got this from Home Goods. I've never seen it since then. It's a cute bow. You know I love my bows. I'm not going to be using any of these. Like I'm tempted to cook with these, but I don't, like I can't. They're just for decoration. They're just to look pretty on the countertop. They're just part of my kitchen decor. I'm not going to cook with that. And I like Cherry Bomb. It's a cookbook. Look, it says Cherry Bomb. And I love the pink, first of all, the pink and the gold detail it has on there. It just fits my aesthetic and it fits my kitchen. Then I have my pink flowers, my pink roses that I got from Home Goods, which has been in all my videos. Like, this has been like as old as my channel is. And then I've just got this, which I put my phone on top of this when I'm watching something and I'm cooking or something. I'll show you the other side when I do my kitchen tour. Should I show you my coffee bar? Maybe. I just plug my phone in there. But yeah, here's my coffee bar. I love how that sparkles when I just move my camera around. It's kind of messy right now. This is not where things are permanently gonna stay, but I just love it so far. Like inside here, I love this area here. I've got like the bling bling, the pink, got my sugar inside here, got more sugar, the pink sugar. Don't know what this bowl is sitting here doing. I've got this coffee here, which is like this carries my coffee inside it. I got my Keurig, which I don't really use my Keurig. I prefer my Smeg because my Smeg makes richer coffee than my Keurig. Keurig is like lightweight coffee. Like if you're not a real coffee person, you'll be okay with these quick Keurigs, but it's here for when I have guests. They can just come here, and again, this is gold. Love this. I got this from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. They can come here and make some coffee. I have some spoons for tea and sugar. I have my I love this. This is from Hobby Lobby. I don't know, I just have it there to hold things up. Got my donut shop sign. I got that from At Home. I got my Smeg. I love my Smeg. I love the word Smeg. And then this is a random tea set. I have a whole set of these. This is just sitting there. Because I'm British, we drink, you know, we drink tea, so might as well have a tea set. Even though I don't drink tea, that might as well be there. And this is just for my oven. So yeah, that's my kitchen pretty much. The other side, you're going to have to watch my video to see all of that, like the full tour. And then of course, like I have like a pink frying pan. And I got a pink toaster in the corner. Here's a bit messy. We're gonna do like a clean with me this week as well because I have to clean. I have, everything's pink in my house, I'm telling you. This, which I recommend for dogs, I got this for my dogs. And it's so, I love this. So yeah, I want to show you what I got from Dollar Tree because I bought a lot, like some cute stuff, because I want you dolls to get it before it's gone. Whenever I find cute stuff, I like to hurry up and show you dolls because it may be gone. Oh, I forgot to show you this too. Look, I told you this video is not planned, it's impromptu. This is just like the same as this to like hold my snacks, and I just think it looks cute up here. It goes with the whole look of my kitchen, so I just hang them up here, and inside here is a bit messy. Oh, I'll show you this in my video, what's inside here. For now, let me not ruin it in this one video, but I couldn't do this whole video without showing you what's in my background, and give you a feel to my apartment before I do the full tour. So yeah, the full tour is coming this week. Hit your notification bell button, dolls, because it's going to be fire. I'm going to show you what I have in my apartment. This is just a quick preliminary, I can't say that word properly, tour. I just love it. This is my sanctuary. This is my cozy spot. This is my chateau. This is my mini mansion. This is my palace, my pink palace, and I just feel so happy here. Like, I've had the best days of my life in this apartment so far. I just love it. You dolls ready for the haul? Let me give you a quick rundown of what I got. A lot of cleaning stuff because I'm getting ready to like do a clean with me video, and also I just need the stuff to clean. I got this basket to hold my cleaning stuff from Dollar Tree. Only $1.25, used to be $1. I wish I stocked up on them when they were $1. I just hate the fact Dollar Tree's $1 right now. No, $1.25 right now. But I got, this has been here. This is what I got from the grocery shop, HEB. Scrub Daddy. Scrub Mummy. The name, Scrub Mummy. Scrub Daddy. Of course I love Scrub Mummy because she's pink. And I got this from Dollar Tree. This is from Dollar Tree. So those are not from Dollar Tree. This is from Dollar Tree, and this is going to be like scrubbing surfaces, but mainly for scrubbing bathroom. So I love this, like scrubbing the bathroom walls, the tiles. This is from HEB. This is not from Dollar Tree. Not from Dollar Tree. Pink gloves for my cleaning. This is from Dollar Tree because I'm going to be mopping the floors with this Downy. This is just to put like a few squirts in the mop because this makes your floor smell so good, and it's only $1.25. They have this at Dollar Tree, but this is not from Dollar Tree. You can also get that cheap on Amazon. Fabuloso, they have one that is this size from Dollar Tree. I don't believe they have this big, no, they do have this big size at Dollar Tree as well. Commit. They have this at Dollar Tree as well. I got this from Dollar Tree. I felt this is such a steal. So this is for like cleaning pans and cleaning also your oven. So I can't wait to use that. And then I also got this Clorox light. Well, no, this is not from Dollar Tree, but they have something just like this at Dollar Tree. So that's my cleaning supplies. Just love my little organization going on here. Like, this is so cute. You need to get yourself a basket like this to put all your cleaning supplies inside. That's what I'm doing with mine from Dollar Tree. I love Fabuloso. I love it. I wish they came in pink. But that's that. Let me show you the stuff that I just got on camera just to show you, because I feel like you dolls need to see this and go and get them now, especially as I'm about to do a DIY on it. You don't want to miss out. Got this cute wreath. I don't know if you dolls remember last year I made this gorgeous wreath using this wire, wreath wire from Dollar Tree. You need to get this because it's gonna go away. Like, last year I was searching everywhere to get them. Get it now while it's August, because by the time September comes, you're not really going to see these much. Everyone would have bought them out. That's why I'm making this video. It's an emergency. I also got, let me show you dolls. Look. Wait, one fell on the, gorgeous. Just how gorgeous are these? Oh my goodness. They are so beautiful. Like, the minute I walked in Dollar Tree, I saw it and my eyes were like, I'm done. Like, if you also buy these at Home Goods, they will cost, or any other store like Ross, they'll cost more. Of course, Dollar Tree's bougie and expensive now. This is $5 for the big one, but it's still not that bad because it's a really good size. And if you're a pink lover like me, you're going to love this. And then they have this one here. And this one is a smaller one. This is $1.25. It's not bad. So I'm going to buy more because I'm going to stack them everywhere. Already it looks good on my counter. I'm going to spray the stem gold. And I'm also going to be using these pearls on them. So I'm going to be doing a video this week, and I'll be using these rhinestones as well, and making something, just gluing them on there and making a really gorgeous fall decor, autumn decor. You know, I can't wait. Like, I'm making it this week, but I'm going to start decorating probably next week or the week after, because the sooner the better. Just I'm ready to start pumpkin season, okay? So that's what I got. Like, don't waste time. You need to go and get these dolls because they're going to be gone, especially in pink. They are just so pretty, and they feel and look so expensive. It almost feels like a steal, even for $5. I know Dollar Tree. And even for $1.25, this should all be $1, but it's okay. The quality is there now. Because I feel like this, if it was back in the day when it was $1, the quality would not be there, or they wouldn't put fabric on this. It would just be styrofoam on its own. So yeah, go and get these, because I'm going to be doing a video and I'm going to be showing you like how to make this look gorgeous and even more expensive than it already is. So yeah, and then I'm going to be doing another wreath video on, we're going to see what we're going to do with this. I'm going to make this glamorous. So yes. That's all I got, doll. That's my whole video. Thank you so much for watching. This was very impromptu, very quick, but I had to just like show you dolls so you dolls can go and get them, because sometimes Dollar Tree is so overlooked and people don't like think about it. And this is just very affordable decor, especially in our time we're in right now. Things are very, you know, here and there. We just don't know. So that's it. Like, save money. Like, head to Dollar Tree and get that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, dolls. Little introduction to my apartment. I love you dolls so much. I'll be back this week with more videos. I needed time to rest and just get myself together. That's why I'm not on camera. I look a hot, well, I feel like I look a hot mess, but I got compliments today. But anyway, I look a hot mess. I love you dolls. I'll see you this week. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. And yeah, love you dolls. Bye. Bye.
Life could be a dream. Plans would come true. And my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, boom, go, shaboom, boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, ding dong. Plans would come true. Ding dong. And my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be